Meaning of God Bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America. God bless America is a phrase often used as a patriotic song and sentiment in the United States. It originated during World War I as a way to express hope and gratitude for the country's prosperity and exceptionalism. The phrase has since been used in various contexts, including as a political slogan. Its meaning implies a desire for divine protection, guidance, and favor upon the nation, its people, and its values. It serves as a reminder of the country's religious heritage and belief in a higher power.